My name is Christo and I'm from Ironman 4x4. I'm very excited today. We are here at Takla Products to get some inside protection for the vehicle. Nice seat covers and integrated floor mats. For me, that's an important part of doing the build on my Hilux, especially with my boys with feet and muddy shoes that's on the seats constantly. So the reason why I chose Takla Products is they've got a variety of material to choose from, patterns you can choose from, and it's a durable quality seat cover.
Christo got in contact, we went and had a meeting with him, and today we're fitting our signature range onto his vehicle. We are doing the hunting design and floor mats with all the additional pockets that we offer. It started with the owner, and he originally wanted something for his vehicle for the dogs in the back. So the original thing that he did was a load liner. So a couple of more friends of his liked the idea of that, and they asked him for it, and eventually, gained interest on it. And it eventually came down to a customer who is still a customer. He went to the owner and said, I want seat covers, same as this. He's like, oh, I don't do seat covers. Gave him a blank check and said, I'll be back in 2 weeks to get my seat covers. And basically that's how the company started. And yeah, in 1996 it was registered, so it's about 25 years old this year. Christo wanted the Ironman logo after a couple of attempts because it's quite an in-depth logo. We send our logos through to digitizers, which change it into a format which the embroidery machines understand, and we've got it perfect. We use a synthetic, all right? So typically our competitors would use a canvas or ripstop. This material has been designed to outperform those materials. It's 100% waterproof. With our top fabric, it's chemical and stain resistant as well. And we supply a lifetime warranty with that. We've got seat covers for a massive variety of different vehicles. Majority of our work is SUVs and buckies. So that's mainly the target, but we do a lot of fleet vehicles as well. We've got all the high-no patterns, we've got all the Mercedes, all the Isuzus. So I watch a lot of YouTube and stuff like that just to check up on guys that are doing 4x4 guys and all of that. And when I look at our seat covers compared to what I see out there, ours is definitely world class. There's nothing better out there than our seat covers. And we give the lifetime warranty, so for me that backs it up.
Seat covers are in, the floor mats are in. I think it looks excellent, and I cannot wait for the next Hilux build.